And the markets made another huge move up. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Super Swingster. I am a supply and demand trader using price action to trade stocks and forex. With that being said, let's get on with the charts. Now last week we mentioned that we saw this bearish engulfing candle engulf the previous candle, and then the last week we didn't see the follow through to the move down. We did not see this happen. Instead, it rallied, and then last week closed higher again. So it's only going up. How long is it going to go up? Until it retraces back to this valid demand zone? We don't know. But it is very bullish. If you look at the higher time frame charts, it formed, this candle has yet to close at the end of this month, but so far, almost halfway in, it's bullish. But we do have a very strong level of demand right here. But if it wants to retrace, then this is a good level to go long, even down here. But right now it's bullish, so there's nothing much to say about it. We don't know when it's going to crash, but we know that right now it's too expensive. Lots of move up, too expensive. You want to buy at least down here. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so make your own trading decisions. Let's take a look at the other charts of the S&P, of the U.S. market in general. This is the Dow, the top 30. This is what this is what the NBC and your market news will refer to as the Dow. So the Dow, same thing, made another huge move up. Q's made another huge move up. Let's take a look at the higher time frame. So down here would be a very good area to go long if it wants to retrace. Last week we thought that it formed a doji, that it was going to be an indecision candle that was going to retrace. Never did. So right now stocks are very bullish. Another one. Okay, so the Russells are very due for a pullback, but it never did. So the pullback will come. It will come. You just have to be patient. So that is the analysis and the bias on the US markets. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on the bell so you get notified on new videos I release in the future. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.